Next step is to unfurl our jib. For me at the helm, I'm gonna turn the boat off to a broad reach. So we've already done that. We're on a nice broad reach. The main is let out, has a lot of twist in it. And now, Panda
I'm gonna prepare the sheets on this winch over here. And I'm gonna go back here to the furling line. And you can do this with 2 people or with 1. I'm gonna show you how to do it with 1. I'm gonna get just a loose 1 wrap around that winch. I'm gonna unclutch, bring it back here, and you can hold it, the furl line, in 1 hand while you're pressing the button to bring in the sheet on this one. The jib sheet's running free. We have the clutch open. We have the furling line running free. The clutch is open. That's just a double check so you don't mess up your lines. And ready to deploy.
Right, last check with helm. I'm still on a nice broad reach. We're free to unfurl. Go ahead.
All right, unfurling. Be perfect. No fuss. I'm just gonna come back to the winch over here, take it off, and put our clutch on. And tidy lines is always best practice.
All right, while Panda's tidying up, I'm just getting the boat sailing still on a nice broad reach. I'm actually gonna come up a little bit to a beam reach now that we have our head sail out and get a little more boat speed. All right, so we've weighed anchor, we've raised the main, we've pulled out our jib. We're sailing on a nice broad reach, but nothing is trimmed right now. On the next video, we're gonna talk about mainsail and jib or head sail trim.